Hello, I'm Nathan Jones, and this is Group 11's Band in a Box project proposal. Today we're going to be talking to you about the problem definition requirements, instrument design requirements, design goals, proposed design for each instrument, decision justification process, and then conclude and cite our sources. Problem definition requirements. Maroon and Gold 4 is going on tour and they need 4 instruments to take with them. These instruments must play one of their songs, Ode to Joy, ASU Alma Mater, or ASU Fight Song. We must have a wind, string, and percussion instrument. One will be repeated. Instrument design requirements. All instruments must fit in a 2-foot by 2-foot by 2-foot box, must be less than $15 to create, use a maximum of 4 feet of piano or guitar wire, and a maximum of 8 feet of pipe. The instruments need to be aesthetically pleasing. One instrument should be able to play multiple tones, and one instrument will be able to play 2 parts for a total of 4 instruments. For our group, our design goals were that they need to be aesthetically pleasing, should create the desired frequencies, and they need to fit inside the box, either as one piece or they can be broken down or collapsed. They need to be durable and not break easily since the band will be traveling. First up for the design process was the percussion instrument. We decided to go with my idea of a wooden xylophone. We'll use oak bars for the xylophone and 2x4s for the frame. The bars will be held down at the top with screws and the bottom with rubber bands. Underneath the bars, the supports will have felt to prevent any clacking or rattling noises. This is the sketch of the design that I proposed to build. As you can see, the bars range from 43 centimeters to 33.2 centimeters. Building the xylophone will be just under $13, meeting the $15 maximum requirement. Now we'll go to Arturo, who will talk to you about the wind instrument as well as the decision matrix.
Thanks, Nathan. My design is a wind instrument, and I have created a blunt flute out of 10 feet of PVC pipe. 11 1-cent coins and hot super glue will be needed. My design must hit a specific note in order to play in a high voice range, ASU 5 sound, chosen by our team. In order to achieve this challenge, mathematical calculations are needed. In this instrument, surprisingly, is very effective in regards of cost. I only am spending $8.75 total out of the $15 per instrument allowed as a budget. In what I can say is a PVC pipe has to be cut into different lengths, like one that is right here. This is probably the max, the longest one in the pan flute. Well, it will be placed, the next to each other, and I will be using hot glue in order to achieve that. And all the coins are placed at the bottom of it, choosing one at the bottom of each pipe. So in order to seal the air, and when we blow into the pipe, when we blow air into the pipe, so it will, hopefully we're going to be creating those vibrations that we're looking for. In regards to the decision matrix, it is very interesting because every team member came out with 3 different great ideas, 3 different designs in regards of before selecting the proposed design we were looking for and the client was looking for. And based on that criteria, like we're talking about size of the size of the instrument, able to play multiple notes, cost, aesthetics, and creativity, it's crucial in order to meet those the client's expectations, meet it and exceed it. And I think our designs do that. Stay around next. Terry, he will talk to you about his proposed design, string instruments, and also he will talk about conclusions in regards to this presentation. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Terry, and I'm designing the string instrument for Team 11. Basically, what you can see from the PowerPoint presentation on slide 11, I'm making a guitar ukulele type instrument with a paper towel roll and a tissue box. The strings will run down the paper towel roll across the open area where the tissue is and strum it like a normal guitar. I've decided to take on the low end of the frequency, so I'll be using bass strings to reach those requirements. As you can see also from that page, it'll fit within the 2 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot box, which is what we put a lot of weight on. Our decision matrix is the size and being able to play multiple tones. And as you can see from the other instruments, they will all meet or exceed those criteria. We really want to make sure everything fits within the box, under budget, looks good, and can play the ASU fight song. Thank you.